like we were just a phase. But I'm still stuck in the moments we had.